Hey guys, this is SaiDeLaNCe once again. Today I've got awesome news for us. Ember funds just increased the mining rate to 3 satoshis per hour recently, just yesterday. So whatever you're earning now has been increased. So your mining rate is now mining more Bitcoin for you, and BTC is trading around $67,000 as of today. So we are hoping it's going to hit up to 69 or above 69 before the next Bitcoin halving. Alright, so guys, and now we are going to participate in the play tournaments, or you're going to participate in playing tournaments right now. And to do that, all you just have to do is just come over here, okay, and hit this button here, play. This way you can play all tournaments, all predictions, all games, all tags to earn BTC every day. So for just playing tournaments, you get 5 airdrops given to you whether you win or not. But when you win through the tournaments, you get to earn more BTC. So these are the free tournaments that are out here, so you can decide to play the free ones or not. And you can also check the tournaments you have already won by just going over here, clicking this button down here in the view completed. So once you click on it, you just scroll up a little bit. You can see what you've won, alright, from the previous tournaments you participated in. So these ones are out here free, free for all, weekly, free for all active, free for all passive, and face off against AAV and ethereum. So let's just start now. We're going to take these 3 here, starting from let's start from the first, free for all active. Alright, free for active. Then you know the drill, just click on enter tournament. Very easy. Okay, BTC is around 66,000 currently right now. That's cool. Okay, so we just select the ones already increasing, transferring strategy real quick. Now just scan through. Uniswap is doing 20%, and most cryptos are kind of in the red. 20% Uniswap, we hold that. And fetch 8. Okay, we are seeing 13.5% here. That's 30.5, 20%. Woo! eCash is doing more than 43%. I think why am I just decided to get in on eCash, man? It's really pumping. Okay, eCash is doing very nice. I have Reborn doing 51%. We just need 5 cryptocurrencies here. We could do more or less if you want to. The maximum or the least you can do is 3, and the maximum coins you can select to build the portfolio is 10. So I usually like doing 3 to 5 or 3 to 7. Okay, I have what I need. Now it's time to select. I just pick Reborn, alright. Then I'll pick eCash. Then I'll pick go up a little bit. I'm seeing avive. Okay, this is 30.5. Then that's 3 already. Then I'm just looking for a tie, like 2 cryptocurrencies that are doing the most, like doing the same thing, not really the most. They're just at the same percentage level. Alright. Okay, I can find none at the same percentage level. So what do I do? Okay, what I'm going to do now is just pick fetch, and probably pick optimism. Okay, that's 5. Now I didn't pick, remember I didn't pick this guy. What was this? Okay, that's it for this. I didn't pick Uniswap, so I'm going to pick Uniswap in the next free for all tournament, which is the free for all passive, because this one is free for all active. So once you take, remember you are to watch an ad or view an ad for 5 seconds or more.
Companies of all sizes use BigQuery to uncover new insights from their data.
You can take off this ads if you want to. Okay, it's already done real quick. Alright, so just 5 seconds or more. You can take off the ads if you want to, if you don't want to like see ads, by getting the premium account of Ember funds. They take all the ads off. Now these ads are ways that they sustain the Ember fund end section. That's how they sustain it. Alright, remember Ember funds is a cryptocurrency, or is a layer 2 blockchain application that is built or designed for providing managed portfolio where investors could actually invest their funds in, alright, and receive percentage increase in the portfolios that have decided to invest in, that is managed by Ember funds. Alright, so investors can come over here and invest in diverse portfolios, metaverse portfolio and the rest. I'm going to explain more about that in the next video, but this is mainly for tournaments and the games. All right, so let's get this in real quick. Now this one is for free for passive, so just click on enter here and let it roll. So we're going to just select this. We've already gone through this. We already know what we have to select here. We go for Uniswap 1. Okay, Uniswap, just tick the add button. All right, this is all you need to do. Once you click on it, it will tick. Then I'll go down a little bit. Okay, I take this guy here. I think in this one I'm just going to take all the heads here, but the big ones are already increasing in value, who are already performing the most for today or this minute. So this tournament usually come up. So after this one starts, this is just remaining about 53 or 54 minutes to gain time. So once it elapses to 0 to gain time, the game starts. Another tournament will start counting down from 6 hours. It will count down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0, then it will start. So tournaments are usually posted every time. They're usually posted every time. So you just have to be checking in on your app, participating in tournaments. You can earn more through tournaments than even mining every day. But you can earn more from tournaments than you would earn if you are just opening the app once in a day and closing it. Alright, once you earn by mining, which is just turning up your earning button once in a day. Once you click it, you close it, it mines 3 satoshis per hour for you. Right, it earns, okay, it mines 3 satoshis per hour for you. Then that's it. But you can earn more through tournaments and games. So that is it. If you win, plus the airdrops that are given out for just participating in the tournaments. All right, guys. Okay, so I'm selecting Ribbon Finance. Then let me just go down a little bit. Okay, so I think that's all I need here. Then we go click on next. Just allow it to load up. Once it does, we're going to view an ad. So please wait while we configure the app for you. All right, so this is just what you got to do. Okay, I just choose 3 here. Then I can go back to the tournament page. Then the next one is a face off. All right, so I'm going to select just one crypto here. Just go enter tournaments. I'm going to choose one, so I go for Ethereum, 1.25% increase already. So click on next and wait for it to load up. Okay, very easy. And remember, you can now earn 4 satoshis per hour. But
access quick loans on fair companies of all sizes.
Alright, this is what it is. I've done this. I selected Ethereum. Then I just go back to the tournament page. You can see I participated in this ones. Well, the one that's left now is weekly free for all. I'm not going to do this now. Why? The reason being that the tournaments, the time before game time is still very big, about 126 hours. So to participate now or put in my entry or build a portfolio for it right now won't be very good, because some cryptos are already performing. Some might just be performing their best now. Before the next 26 hours, they might just be performing their worst. So cryptocurrencies fluctuates, they rise to 4. So because of that, if you choose a crypto, you have to choose a crypto at the right time. You have to be timely, very close to when the tournament starts, so that you'll be picking the ones that are currently performing the best or the ones that are currently trending. Alright, so that's just why I'm not going to participate in this one. So you can skip it and watch it. You can even set the timer. Alright, simple, easy. To set the timer, you can just use the timer on your phone. Okay, let me show you how to do this, guys. Just go over your phone like this. Go for your timer. Then since it's 126 hours here, I'm going to just type something here and be like 100, because I like to participate like 2 hours or 1 hour before the time. So let's say we'll put it at 124 hours. So I'm going to be notified on my timer around 124 hours once this starts. So my timer will keep counting down. So once it's going to start, okay, you can only do 12 hours. Alright, fine. Alright, this can stay up. Just put it at maximum 12 hours or so. Then you wait for it. Once it hits you, notifies you, then you can come back. Just once you put it like this, you click on play. Click on play here. Once you click on play, it starts counting down. So once it gets down to 0, it will notify you. Once it notifies you, you can come back and check on the app and then set another one for the next 12 hours. And that way you don't get to forget it. So because sometimes I usually forget when it's okay, I'm waiting for the time to get down to very a minimum amount of time for me to participate, but I get to forget. So this is what you can do. You can set your timer for it, and that is it. And all guys, let's just go down to the next way of earning satoshis or Bitcoin on Ember funds, which is predictions. Okay, predictions. Just click over here. Tournaments is predictions. Just click on tournaments, predictions here. Once you do, okay, once you select it, you can see the tournaments that are available here, the predictions game that is available here, or you can just swipe left and right to get down to any of them you want to. Now this is the prediction games here. Now I actually predicted a game yesterday, the BAYERN game. So I can check if I won or lost by just clicking on view completed here. So just tick this button here and wait for it to show up. Alright guys, this is it. Wow, I just won something. Champions League, BAYERN against Lazio, yesterday game. This is it. Out of 1.2 million Satoshi prize pool, I actually won 110 sats reward, and that's what around $0.67 at the current rate of Bitcoin right now, which is trading around $66,076 right now. And you know, Bitcoin fluctuates in price. So if you are earning, or if you've been mining Bitcoin, you've been earning Bitcoin through Ember funds before Bitcoin hit 66,000, when it was around, let's say, $40K, you would have made 1.5x or more of the satoshis you had, or your satoshis on your Ember funds would have actually gotten a higher value right now. You would have been cashing out like real big on BTC before the next halving even occurred. So this is it. This is the tournament we participated in yesterday. This is the entries here, and this is me down here. So we participated in this, and yeah, we said BAYERN will win, and BAYERN won the game. I voted for BAYERN, so this is my reward, 1010, which is what, $0.67. So the other game that I participated in last year, yesterday actually, it was Champions League Real Madrid as well against RB. Okay, this is the game, and it's mainly like 5 hours 34 minutes before game time right now, and the prize pool is 1.1 million sats. So if Real Madrid wins, just like I voted them to win, I'm going to earn a share of this prize pool, whatever it is. So this is what it is. This is me down here as well, and these ones you have to stake or vote with your satoshis or with your Bitcoin in your Ember wallet. That is, you can vote with the ones you've already earned, or you can deposit some Bitcoin to do this. So you can start doing predictions here on one-on-one games. If you know football, if you know sports, you can come here and play a lot of sports. Now look at the other ones I actually participated in. So yeah, okay, from there I'm just waiting for this game here. Now I can also go over here and do talks, play the games, actual games, micro game. You know, if you are good with servers, if you are good with games, you can come here and do your offers, you know, your micro jobs, your games, and the rest. So this is what it is. Now I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to post a more detailed video about Ember funds for people who are new to Ember funds, like people who don't really understand Ember funds, who don't know how we are making money on Ember funds for the past 3 years. And right now Ember funds have been paying out. We've been cashing out on Ember funds like real quick. So I'm going to make that video and drop it very soon. So guys, peace.